Have you ever woken up from a dream, feeling like it held a secret message, a profound truth, just beyond your grasp? Like your subconscious was trying to tell you something vital, something that could change the course of your day, your week, or even your entire life. If so, you're not alone. For centuries, across cultures and civilizations, humanity has been fascinated by the mysterious world of dreams. What are they? Why do we have them? And most importantly, how do we unlock their hidden meanings? Today, we're diving deep into the profound insights of one of the most brilliant minds of the 20th century, a man who revolutionized our understanding of the human psyche, Carl Gustav Jung. Jung wasn't just a psychiatrist. He was an explorer of the inner world, a cartographer of the soul, and his work on dreams. It's not just fascinating, it's transformative. But before we continue, I'm offering you a free ebook to thank you for supporting the channel. Download it now and begin your journey towards self-discovery, dream interpretation, and shadow work. Hurry because it's free. The link is on the channel page. Jung believed that dreams are not just random firings of neurons, nor are they simply disguised wish fulfillments, as some of his predecessors might have argued. Instead, he saw dreams as natural, spontaneous products of the unconscious mind, a kind of inner communication, a direct message from the deepest parts of ourselves, guiding us toward wholeness and self-realization. He called this process individuation. Think of your mind as a vast, ancient library. Consciously, you might only be aware of the books on the top shelves, the ones you read every day. But deep within, there are countless other volumes, forgotten histories, unread novels, maps to uncharted territories, all waiting to be discovered. Dreams, for Jung, are like a diligent librarian who brings those hidden books to your attention, urging you to explore their wisdom. One of Jung's most revolutionary ideas was the concept of the collective unconscious. This isn't just your personal unconscious, filled with your own forgotten memories. No, the collective unconscious is a deeper, more universal layer of the psyche, shared by all of humanity. It's filled with archetypes, universal patterns, images, and symbols that appear in myths, religions, and our dreams across all cultures. Think of archetypes like innate blueprints for fundamental human experiences that echo through time. When you dream of a wise old man, a fierce dragon, or a shadowy figure pursuing you, you're not just encountering random characters. You might be encountering archetypes, primordial images that carry immense psychological energy and meaning. Understanding these archetypes in your dreams can unlock profound insights into your own life, your challenges, and your potential. So, how do we begin to know our dreams in the Jungian sense? It starts with remembering. Many people dismiss their dreams as quickly as they wake up, letting those precious insights slip away. Jung would argue this is a missed opportunity. He encouraged the practice of keeping a dream journal by your bed. As soon as you wake up, even before you fully open your eyes, try to hold onto any fragments, any feelings, or any images that remain. Don't censor anything. Write down everything, no matter how nonsensical it might seem. Even a single word, a color, or an emotion can be a thread leading you into the labyrinth of your dream. Once you've captured your dream, the real work begins. Amplification, not just interpretation. Jung emphasized a more expansive approach. He wanted you to explore the personal associations you have with each dream image. What does this specific snake mean to you? What are your feelings about it? What stories, memories, or cultural references come to mind? Then, you broaden the scope. What are the mythological, cultural, and archetypal associations with that symbol? For example, a snake in many cultures can represent healing, transformation, wisdom, or danger. By looking at both your personal and the collective associations, you start to weave a richer tapestry of meaning. Let's take an example. Imagine you dream of being lost in a dense, dark forest. On a superficial level, you might just think, "Oh, I'm feeling lost in life." But a Jungian approach goes deeper. What does forest symbolize to you personally? Is it a place of adventure, fear, mystery, or peace? What does darkness evoke? Is it unknown dangers, or perhaps a hidden potential, a fertile void? And archetypally, the forest often represents the unconscious itself, a place of initiation, trials, and encounters with the wild, untamed aspects of the self. Being lost could signify a period of transition, a need to find a new path, or an invitation to explore your inner wilderness. Jung also talked about the compensatory function of dreams. Our conscious mind often has a particular attitude or focus. Perhaps you're always trying to be rational, logical, and in control. Your dreams might then present images that compensate for this one-sidedness, bringing forth emotions, instincts, or irrational elements that you're neglecting in your waking life. If you're overly aggressive, your dreams might show you as vulnerable. If you're too passive, they might feature you acting with great strength. Dreams seek balance, pushing you toward integrating all aspects of your personality. Another crucial concept in Jungian dream analysis is the shadow. The shadow is the part of ourselves that we deem unacceptable, the qualities we repress, deny, or push away because they don't fit with our conscious self-image or societal expectations. This isn't necessarily evil. It could be creativity, anger, sexuality, ambition, anything that feels inconvenient or shameful. In dreams, the shadow often appears as a dark, threatening figure, a despised person, or an animal. Encountering and integrating your shadow isn't about becoming bad. It's about acknowledging and understanding these disowned parts, so they don't control you from the depths of your unconscious. It's about making them conscious, so you can work with them constructively, rather than letting them sabotage you. So, how does knowing your dreams actually help you in your waking life? It's not just an intellectual exercise. Jung believed that dreams are teleological, meaning they are goal-oriented, moving you toward a specific purpose, wholeness. By understanding your dreams, you become more aware of your inner conflicts, your unfulfilled potentials, and the direction your psyche is naturally trying to take you. Think of it like this. Your conscious mind is the captain of a ship, trying to navigate the ocean. Your dreams are like the deep-sea currents, the weather patterns, and the subtle shifts in the magnetic field that the captain might not directly see, but desperately needs to understand for a safe and successful voyage. Ignoring your dreams is like sailing blind. Dreams can offer solutions to problems you're struggling with in your waking life. They can reveal hidden talents, warn you of potential dangers, or guide you toward relationships or career paths that are more aligned with your authentic self. They can help you understand the dynamics of your relationships, the sources of your anxieties, and the roots of your deepest desires. For Jung, dreams were not just about understanding the past. They were about illuminating the future, about guiding you toward your fullest potential. They are a continuous dialogue between your conscious self and the vast, wise unconscious. To truly know your dreams, then, is to cultivate a relationship with your inner world. It requires patience, honesty, and a willingness to explore uncomfortable truths. It's a journey, not a destination. There will be dreams that are clear and powerful, and others that remain mysterious, teasing you with their enigmatic symbolism. But every single dream, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, carries a piece of the puzzle of who you are. By paying attention, by recording them, by amplifying their symbols, and by reflecting on their personal and archetypal meanings, you begin to build a bridge between your conscious awareness and the deep wellspring of your unconscious wisdom. This process of knowing your dreams is not about becoming a fortune teller. It's about becoming more fully yourself. It's about integrating the fragmented pieces of your personality, understanding your deepest motivations, and embarking on the profound journey of individuation, the process of becoming the unique, whole, and authentic person you were always meant to be. So, the next time you wake up from a vivid dream, don't just shake it off. Take a moment. What was it trying to tell you? What images, feelings, or stories lingered? Your dreams are waiting to be known, and in knowing them, you might just discover the most profound truths about yourself. Start your dream journal tonight. You never know what incredible insights your unconscious mind is eager to share with you.